Hi, my Linda Butterworth here with Alliteration Adventure 1685. Silliness, absolutely silliness for today's tongue twister. It's about yaks who like to yawn, but not today, but they yawned yesterday. You get where I'm going with this? All right, let's do this tongue twister 3 times quickly. Here we go. Yellow yaks yawned yesterday. Yellow yaks yawned yesterday. Yellow yaks yawned yesterday. Yes, they did, but they didn't yawn today. So let's do it again, just a little slower. Yellow yaks yawned yesterday. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.